At first glance, placing a rivet on a heated spoon sounds like a completely random idea. After all, what could possibly happen with such ordinary objects? Yet this unusual combination has captured the attention of countless viewers. As heat begins to affect the metal, subtle changes start to appear, creating a surprisingly interesting demonstration. What makes the experiment so captivating is its simplicity. Using only common materials, it reveals effects that many people have never noticed before. It looks like a pointless experiment at first, until you watch closely and discover why so many people found the result unexpectedly fascinating.